begin, I have a clip here with a couple effects on it, which I'd like to use as a preset so that I can add it to my other clip and to future projects. To do this, we're going to select the clip and then go up to Effect Controls. Right? Click in the Video Effects area and choose the Select All option. Now just right-click in that area again and select Save Preset. I'm going to name mine Creepy Zooming Strobe and then click. OK. Now when we go to the Effects panel, we'll see a Presets folder with our newly created preset inside that we can drag to other clips. Alright, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.